In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a contact form in Mailchimp. To begin, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account using your usual sign-in details. Make sure you are entering your information on the official Mailchimp website and avoid showing any private account details on screen if you are recording or sharing your screen. Once you are logged in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully. Mailchimp may open to your account overview, your audience dashboard, or another recent area you used, depending on your account setup. Now that you are inside Mailchimp, look for the Create icon. This is the main starting point for building new items inside your account. Click the Create icon to open the Creation menu. This menu includes different types of content and tools, so take a moment to look through the available options. You are not creating an email campaign in this case. You are looking for the option that lets you create a form where people can submit their information. From the Create menu, select Sign Up Form. Mailchimp uses sign-up forms to collect contact details and add people to an audience. Even if you are thinking of it as a contact form, this is the area where you can build the form fields and control how people submit their information. After selecting Sign Up Form, Mailchimp will guide you into the setup process for the type of form you want to create. Next, choose your form type. Mailchimp may give you options such as an embedded form, a pop-up form, or a sign-up landing page. An embedded form is useful if you want to place the form directly on your own website. A pop-up form is designed to appear over your website content based on the settings you choose. A sign-up landing page creates a standalone page that you can share with a link. Choose the option that best matches where you want your contact form to appear. After choosing the form type, you will need to select your audience. The audience is the list where new contacts will be stored after they submit the form. If you manage more than one audience, make sure you choose the correct one before continuing. This matters because the fields, tags, and contact records are connected to the audience you select. Once the correct audience is selected, click Begin to move into the form setup area. You will now use the form builder to add and customize your fields. This is where you decide what information the form should collect. You may see common fields like email address, first name, last name, or other available fields connected to your audience. Add the fields you need and customize them so they are clear for the person filling out the form. Keep the labels simple and easy to understand. If a field is required, make sure that requirement makes sense for your form. For a basic contact form, it is usually best to collect only the information you truly need. As you work in the form builder, pay attention to how the form looks from the visitor's point of view. A clean and simple form is easier to complete. If Mailchimp allows you to adjust field text, labels, or form sections for your selected form type, use that area to make the form feel more polished and direct. This step is important because small details can affect whether someone completes the form or leaves before submitting it. Next, configure your design and settings. This is where you can adjust the appearance and behavior of the form based on the form type you selected. You may be able to edit colors, layout, button styling, or other display settings. If you are creating a pop-up form, you may also see settings related to how and when the form appears. If you are creating an embedded form or landing page, focus on making the design match your website or brand as closely as possible. Review the settings carefully before moving forward. Once your fields, design, and settings are ready, click Continue. Mailchimp will take you to the final area where you can retrieve your form link or embed code. If you created a sign-up landing page, you can use the form link to share it directly with visitors. If you created an embedded form, copy the embed code so it can be added to your website. If you selected a pop-up form, follow the available code or setup instructions provided by Mailchimp for placing it on your site. Before you publish or share the form, it is a good idea to review what you have created and make sure it connects to the correct audience. Check that the fields are accurate, the form is easy to read, and the final link or code is ready to use. Once everything looks correct, you can place the form where you need it and start collecting contact submissions through Mailchimp. And that is all there is to it.